Hey guys, it's Karina with Karina Lives to Plan. Welcome back to my channel. So here I am back in my classic horizontal that I use as a journal. And this is last week's spread using the Hot Summer Nights from According to Ali. And this week I will also be using another set of stickers from According to Ali. I've been using this all week because I feel like coming back after PTO or vacation, I definitely need a lot of coffee. All right, let's get started. All right, I feel like with Ali stickers, I really have to, I feel like be very intentional with them because I'm not going to be left with very much, but I kind of want to make this spread look like I've had such a tough week that I've spilled coffee on everything. So let's put this down here. I believe that. I don't drink coffee to wake up. I wake up to drink coffee. So true. And then I'm going to take a little bit of washi. Actually, I'm going to add a little bit of washi to every bit of the spread here, but I'm going to add different. Whoops! Oh, let's not drop that washi, and Lucy jumps all over it. I'm going to also add some of this washi from Together with the KX that I just got this week as a sample. Let's place this right over. Oh my gosh, I love it. And then, oh come on, it's just me not able to peel it up. And then another coffee stain there. And then I'm gonna put Rise and Grind right here because I feel like that is suitable for Monday. So now I'm gonna go in and add washi in places. I love spreads like these because, for one, they're super quick and like that washi, the different shades of the brown. I am living for that right now. Love that. It's so neutral. Oh, I love it. Now, I'll add another together with, I love using this washi sample. I got actually a couple of washi rolls from her shop, and I am so glad that I did because it's so pretty. What if I do this here? And then we'll do one down here. Kind of want to leave the coffee stains on their own just to make it very much that it was like I had an oh crap moment. Oops. Oh, so far loving the Simply Gilded washi. Like, absolutely cannot get enough of that. Very simple, absolutely very simple, but this is the thing about my journaling spreads, is that as soon as they're filled in, there's something that happens to these spreads that completely transforms them. I'm just putting away my washi so that Lucy doesn't get them. Oh, all right. Simple, but effective and very quick. Plan with me. I'll actually put this right back in my classic horizontal because, like you can see from last week's spread, which I'll show you right away here. Last week's spread was so simple, but once it's written in, it's better to be simple and start the week almost empty so that you have enough room to be able to write. And I feel like this is going to be a big week for me because I'm going back to work after being on vacation for a week, but it's Robin's birthday that day and I'm opening the shop that day, so it's going to be a big week. Alright, but that is it for me. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. If you like this video, please leave me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching and have a great day.